Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing recipe 4 of the 3-day detox. This one's called the spicy lemonade. Basically you will need 14 ounces of water. Filtered water is fine, but I am using bottled water this time around. I'm going to be doing 3 servings for 3 days of the detox. The other 2 are already filled up with 14-ounce water. You're going to need 2 lemons for each drink. I am going to use the juicer only because I'm using the peels with the lemon. You can use a squeezer if you want, or you can take off the peel if that's too bitter for you. Whatever it is that you like would be fine. Okay, let me just set this up. I am just going to place it right under the juicer. Oh, look at how that changes in color. Okay, so that's 1 down. 2 more to go. Okay, once that's done, we're going to put a pinch of cayenne pepper, red pepper. Ooh, that one's going to be spicy. I'm just freehanding it. However, I'm pretty sure you can get about 1/8 of a teaspoon in there. You don't want it to be super spicy. Yeah, and since you have 3 drinks, I mean, I guess you can play with the amount of spiciness that you want. I mean, after all, it is called the spicy lemonade. What this does is the cayenne pepper stimulates your metabolism, and it also curbs your hunger, which around the time that you are scheduled to take the 4th juice cleanse, you may be hungry, and this will help with those cravings. Okay? So for the last thing, you have the choice of either using agave or honey. I am going to use honey in 1 and agave in 2. And that's 1 tablespoon. I think I'm going to use the thicker consistency, which is the honey in the spiciest one. Maybe that curbs the spiciness of it. Here you go. And for the other 2, I'll be using the agave. And I'm using the same spoon because it does not bother me at this moment. But feel free to change spoons if that's something you'd like to do. Or feel free to just use one and not the other. Okay, that's 1. That's 2 actually. Okay, this kind of reminds me of the 10-day detox I think Beyonce uses. I forgot the name of it, but if you know it, leave a comment down below and just refresh my memory. Okay? So that is all. Once you are ready to drink this juice, just shake it a bit so then the Cajun pepper doesn't stay on top and it mixes in with the rest of the juice. Hope you enjoy it. We have 1 more, well, 2 more recipes to go, but 1 more fruit recipe. Any questions or any concerns, leave a comment down below. But don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, okay?